Hi everyone, this is Mrs. M and I hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe. So today what we're going to do today is we're going to learn about skip counting by fives, and then we will also learn how to count nickels. So skip counting means that we keep adding the same number again and again and to the previous numbers. For example, this is 1 right here, and I want to skip count by 5. So what I will do is I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. Then I would skip count by 5 again. Then I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I stop here at 5 and the number I get is 10. Then I can go further and then I can skip count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I get 15. Then as I count further, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see when I'm skip counting, I keep adding the same number and I get 10, 15, 20. So I have 5. Then I want to skip count by 5. So I add 5 more and I get 10. Now I want to skip count by 5 again. I will add another 5 and I will get 15. I want to add 5 more and I get 20. Now we will apply this to counting nickels. So this is a nickel right here, and 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents. So if I have like 5 pennies and I have 1 nickel, those 5 pennies would be equal to a nickel. So we see here I have 1 nickel. This 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents. Now I add another nickel. And I get 10 cents. So I found out that when I have 1 nickel and I add another nickel to it, I have 10 cents. 2 nickels are equal to 10 cents. Now, to this same equation, I would add another nickel, which is equal to 5 cents. That means I add another 5, and I get 15 cents. So, 3 nickels are equal to 15 cents. I can also write this as an equation, a multiplication equation. So I look at how many nickels I have. I have 1, 2, 3. 3 nickels. I put the multiplication sign, and since 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents, I write 5. And this is also, you can apply this skip counting. 5, 10, 15, you're counting by 5s. And I already know the answer is 15. So this is my equation. Now for the homework, let me put it up here. Our homework is nickel problems. Write the counting by 5's numbers to show how to count each set of nickels. Complete the sentence and write a multiplication equation to match. The first one is done for you. So we can see that we have a nickel right here and they have written 5. Then under the second nickel, it is written 10. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, which means 2 nickels are equal to 10. Then you add another 5 and you get 15. Another 5 and you have 20. So 4 nickels are worth 20 cents. The equation is written by, you count the nickels. You have 4 nickels. It's written right here, 4, the multiplication sign, and then you write 5 because you skip counting by 5. And you already know the answer is 20. So I will do the next one for you. So I have a nickel here. I know a nickel is worth 5. And then I add another 5. So in my mind, I can skip count by 5's, and I know 5. I skip count by 5. I have 10, then 15, 20, 25, 30. I get 30. So this means when I have 6 nickels, 6 nickels is worth 30 cents. So I write 30 here. The equation, I will write, I have 6 nickels, so I'll write 6. And I will skip counting by 5, and also the nickel is equal to 5. 1 nickel is equal to 5, so I write 5, and then I put the equal sign, and then I write 30. This is my equation. So you have question number, this was 1, 2, 3, and 4. I would like you to do number 3 and 4. The second question is a little bit wordy, so I will read it out for you. Jackson has 35 cents in his pocket, all in nickels. How many nickels does Jackson have in his pocket? Show all your work. So this question has 2 parts to it. First of all, it is giving us information. Jackson has 35 cents in his pocket. So we know Jackson has 35 cents and they're all in nickels. And they want us to find out how many nickels does Jackson have in his pocket. So how many nickels is worth 35 cents? So this is one way we can find out, and that's, we will write by 5's and skip count by 5's. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So what I did is, I know 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents. So I just skip counted by 5 until I reach the number 35. Now I will draw the nickels on top of these numbers. And I will count the nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I know that 35 cents is equal to 7 nickels. So Jackson has, I will write the number 7 nickels in his pocket. I would like you to watch this video and then try to do this question on your own. And if you have any problems, then you can go back to the video and see what part you did not understand. So till the next video, I'll see you again.